Okay, students, so now we'll talk about sixth chapter trigonometry. Okay, now in this there are in solved examples, no, there are some sums. Eliminate theta, that is very important. Okay, then you find exercise 6.1, the first part, find cos theta, tan theta, like that. That is also very easy. If you know the formula, you can solve it very fast. Okay, then you are having prove that. That is also based on that trigonometrical identities and all. So very easily you can solve. So always remember, in trigonometry, who is the main hero? Sin theta. Who is the heroine? Cos theta. What you do is all sec, tan and whatever you get, no, in the equation, okay, LHS, you substitute all this value and bring it to equal to RHS. That is very easy. Okay. Now the second part of the trigonometry is the word problem, that is angle of elevation. Now in angle of elevation, what do you find? The observer sees a tall tree or a building or a tower. So you should always think you are the observer. Okay. And then you see how you will see an object when it is tall. So how do you make the angle of elevation? First you will see horizontally, then you see on the top. Okay, this is how it is. Then similarly, angle of depression. In angle of depression, what happens? The observer is on the top of a tower or is in the lighthouse. He will see the ship. So I will see the ship from the lighthouse. So you should make the angle of depression. You don't get in depression. You just find the angle of depression. Okay. Now angle of depression makes an alternate angle with the ground level. Okay. Horizontal level. So you should take Z and then you draw the diagram properly. Once you draw the diagram, no, right angle triangle properly, then you can solve the sum very easily. Okay. And in this type of sums, you see root 2, root 3, root 5, all these values you should buy at it. Okay. Sometimes they give you, sometimes they may not give you. So it is always better you buy at it. Okay. You know the values.